So our bite of the week now, it comes from a taxi operator from Discovery Bay, St. Anne. He was lamenting the challenges of not having a transport center. Here's our bite of the week.
Just a few days ago last week, there was a nurse that worked at the St. Anne's Bay Hospital. Yes. She wore full white. Good. When she entered the terminus or wherever they point us, I don't know what that is, the dust camp, to take the taxi, she became red because the dust blew on her white uniform and her white shoes, and she changed color.